looks quite accurate.
Anything else on the nose, we've got adults and children. They look okay at the moment. The boat is pretty stable in the water, and taking with 170 not too far away. It doesn't look like they're wearing the life jackets today, it's what I can see, but it's stable.
No life jackets. Tight, tight.
Roger, mate, all received, thank you.
PKI, Oscar Mike 104.
I'm out the back. I'll just throw this over your head. Out of gear. Straighten the engines. Go back inside. No, you're right. Yep, you're right. Come around here, there's a ladder. Grab onto that ladder. Yep. You're right. Can you climb that ladder?
No, I can't. Hi now. Thank you.
Yep. So just come in here.
Yeah? Very cold.
Grab a seat on the floor. Sit down on the floor.
Come sit down. Just sit down. You're okay. We'll be with you in a minute. Just take calm. We'll come back around, okay? You're doing a good job.
Taking with you 170. No, you're busy. Just give us a super update when you can. We'll stand everyone else down. Throw a tow vessel is required.
Roger, one juvenile on board going back for an adult, another juvenile. Okay, coming back around. There's the rope in.
Grab a seat on the floor.
Come and sit down, babe.
Sit down.
Sit down. Come sit down. Just sit down.
Just go back to him. Leave him.
Yep. Okay. Is there anybody else?
No, that's it.
Just the three of you? Okay.
Ian out. No, out of gear. Come around the back of the boat. Come around the back.
Come around the back, mate.
Yeah, you're right.
You're right.
You're right.
No, that's it, mate.
See that ladder? Can you stand on that?
No, I can't.
Alright. Let go of that.
You're right, mate.
You're right. Let go. Let go of this hand. Let it go. Let it go or I can't help you. Let go, yep. Yeah.
What is my brother doing?
Tango Whiskey 170.
What is my brother doing?
Yeah, 170.
What is my brother doing?
Yeah, we're evacuating the second two persons. Are non-outstanding. We have 3 here, 0 outstanding. We've got the second juvenile on board. Come sit down here on the floor.
Okay.
Sit down on the floor.
I'm so cold.
That's okay, I'll get you a towel in a minute, okay? Just gotta get your dad in. That's okay. Don't worry about it.
Right, climb this ladder.
Yeah, right.
So just the three of you on board?
Yeah. Oh, that went quick. Real quick.
Just come in, we'll sort that line out.
Alright, now do you want to take your coats off for me? Take your coat off and we'll get some...
I'm too weak for that.
Okay, I'll give you a hand in a second then. That's okay, can I give you a hand? Come on, right, I can't... Right, just put this around you. No, it's okay, don't worry. We're going to go back to...
Like killing.
Right.
Yeah, that's great, mate. 3 POV.
Put that bit all the way around you.
Been recovered. JRCC advised the other helicopter standing down. All correct. We just want to confirm air traffic control.
Just put this around you.
There were 3 POV and still out.
Dad, 2 kids. POLAIR 62, we have 1 adult, 2 children at this stage. This is POLAIR 62. The police vessel has just arrived on scene. They are currently going through the process of picking up what appears to be 3 souls. We're just trying to confirm if there are any outstanding other than these 3, and will remain in the area.